Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dicky Irsyadul Fikri. I'm from Group 5. In this video, I would like to tell you about language assessment criteria of good writing test. The group member consists of 3 people, that is Ajeng, Irma, Rahmawati, and also Nurul, Izzah. For the first material will be delivered by myself, that is about what is writing test. Written tests are tests that are administered on a paper on a computer or e-exam. A test taker who takes written test could respond to specific items by writing or typing, if that is e-exam, within a given space of test or on separate form or document. Sometimes it's written in the same paper with the question. So, what is the genre of writing test? Written language. So there are 3 types of written language. That is academic writing, that consists of subject reports, essay, journal, thesis, and dissertation, etc. And also job-related writing, that is about advertisement, announcement, job application form, etc. And also personal writing, that is email. Email sometimes could be done as academic and also sometimes as job related writing, but mostly email is done as a personal thing, personal writing, messages, invitation, and etc. We go to the next page. Type of writing test. There are 4 types of writing test. The first one is initiative. Initiative is to produce written language. Produce in this case is not literally produce, but the learners must attain skills in the fundamental or basic task of every letters, words, punctuation, and very brief sentences. Generally, it's about the ability to spell correctly. For example, spelling quiz. The second one is intensive or controlled. It's about to produce appropriate vocabulary within the context of context, collocation, and also idioms, correct grammatical features up to length of the sentence. For example, pictured, cued, or story sequence. If the question is about we have some pictures on it, and then the learners must guess what is happening with that pictures. And then we go to the next page. We have responsive. Responsive in this case is about task related to pedagogical relatives, list of criteria, outlines, and other guidelines connecting sentences into paragraph. For example, paraphrasing and also a guided question and answer. Fourth, it's about extensive writing. Writers focus on achieving a purpose, organizing and developing ideas logically, or using details to illustrate the ideas. For example, essay response reading, answering questions related with. Essay response readings mean we have to analyze the question by reading, right? So it's related with reading. I think that's all about my explanation. The next material will be delivered by my friends.
My name is Nurul Izzah. So in this video, I want to explain the next material. The next material is criteria of a good writing test. The first criteria is task response. In task response, include that fully address all part of the task, and task response present a fully developed position in answer to the question with relevant, fully extensive, and well supported ideas, and also present relevant main idea, but some may be inadequately developed and unclear. And also in this task response present some main idea, but these are limited and not sufficiently developed. There may be irrelevant detail. And the next criteria is coherence and cohesion. In this case, Of course, I use cohesion such as why did it attract no attention, and then use cohesive devices effectively, but cohesion within or between sentence may be faulty or mechanical. And also incoherent and cohesion in writing test present information with some organization, but there are maybe a lack of overall progression. And the next criteria is lexical resource. Lexical resource uh, in writing tests use a wide range of vocabulary fluently and flexibility to convey precise meaning. And also lexical resource use an inadequate range of vocabulary for the task, attempt to use less common vocabulary but with some inaccuracy, and also use the vocabulary fluently and flexibly to convey precise meaning. And then the last criteria is grammatical range and accuracy. In writing tests, grammatical range and accuracy use a wide range of structure with full flexibility and accuracy. Rare minor error occur only as a slip. And then in writing tests, use a variety of complex structure, such as use of mix of simple and complex sentence, and also make some error in grammar and really reduce communication. So I think that's all about my material, and the next material will be delivered by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ajeng Rahmawati, and in this opportunity I would like to continue the explanation about the example of writing test. So we decided to take the example from IELTS academic test paper. So you will be allowed 1 hour to complete 2 tasks in the IELTS academic writing test. The 2 parts of this practice writing test are presented 2 separate web pages. And in the actual test, you will do your writing in the answer booklet. And also the timing. The total time allowed for IELTS academic writing test is 60 minutes. Time yourself and allow just 1 hour to complete both part of test. And task to contribute twice as much as tag. So for the first section of your IELTS academic writing task, you should spend about 20 minutes on it. And then in the academic writing task 2, this is the second section of your IELTS academic writing task. You should spend about 40 minutes on it. And also, there are instructions to candidates. In the actual task, you will be given the following instruction: do not open the question paper until you are told to do so. And then the second one is write your name and the candidate number in the space at the top of this page. And the last one is write clearly in a pen or pencil. You may make alteration, but make sure your work is easy to read. I think that's all about our presentation. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.